So I was told by my friend today on July 30th, sorry, yesterday, that my audio was a bit low. So, people. Come on. So I'm trying to make my audio a bit louder. So I won't know, but the problem is that this video isn't up until December. So hope you enjoyed the walking videos. I'm still doing them from time to time, because yesterday it was lashing rain, as you could see in the videos walking. I didn't want to do a cycling tour, would have been soaked. So I done a walking tour, and then today we're doing cycling. So we're out here at Grange Castle. It's kind of out Clondalkin way. Oh, and Sean, I cycled out here on my own. I turned the electricity off, so I was under my own power to get here. So you should be proud of that. And then I'll be cycling down the canals into town around Dublin 8. Be nice to get in there for a photo shoot. Maybe I'm just fat or going uphill or something. I thought the wheel was going. So hold on, let's go around the back here if we can. And we're going to go through some lakes on the other side. So this, I think they just built this up as a walking area for all the people working here. Just for like a lunchtime retreat. A few benches, chill out. See the castle. Yeah, you can't see the castle there now, so hold on, let me speed it up a bit. And I'm going to try to talk a bit louder, and then there's going to be ones where I'm just going to be silent, like my walking videos yesterday, or well, the last week, I suppose. There you go, there's the castle there. Wouldn't be rushing to come out here because you can't get into it, but if you're passing by, you know, just pull in and away you go. Nice little walking areas. Like, you know, I wouldn't mind walking out here. You know, the commute might be hard, you won't be able to get a bus, so you need a car. Traffic be a nightmare, but you get what it is, you know, you get what it is. And you can hear the factories there in the background still working away, so there's people out there working on a Sunday. Right, so that was the castle. We're going to go over to the lakes, and then we're going to go down to the canal. We're going to cycle down that, and we'll probably put a bit of pep in the step. So I'll probably not talk as much on that one, but you can just enjoy the views, you know, relax, enjoy the views. See that couple there? I think they just parked the car there and just went for a quick walk. They were only in there for like 2 minutes. I was doing a thingamajiggy on Instagram, a video or a reel or something, I don't know. So yeah, we're gonna cross across here. Now weekdays would be busier, you know, you'd have your trucks coming in and out delivering stuff and all, so be careful. As a weekend, it's a bit quiet, and I think I've done a photo shoot here actually before. There's huge swans, and we got the model to stand and pose with the swans. So, yeah, nice little walking area. Oh, if you're on the break, you know, nice little pond. Just do a quick loop of this, you know. I'm not doing nothing extraordinarily stressful today, you know. It's down the canal and then around Dublin 8 area. Then I'm going to visit a friend. He's got a YouTube channel, so check him out. It's going to be hard because his name on YouTube is Tom Jones, and I'm sure if you search for Tom Jones, you're not going to find me friend. So look for Still, you know that, the Still, the lawnmower stuff. So he does gardening and stuff, and he does time lapses on them, and they look kind of cool, look fascinating. So I'm going out to kind of give him a few tips. I'm going to show him some DaVinci Resolve, probably some color coding, because he's really getting into it now. And I should have went in there because now I'm further away from the lake. Yeah, so go over there and give him a check out. I'll see if I can remember to post a link in the comments. You know, go over and say hello. He's had a YouTube channel for ages, but he posted one thing 4 years ago, but he's been posting stuff lately, and he's putting a bit of comedy in there as well. So yeah, go over and check them out. Those are the swans, they're over there. We'll see if we can get closer to the lake. There's a path here, I think, or a. No, it's a treatment plant thing. So hopefully this goes up this way. Otherwise, we're going back. Yeah. So hopefully I should be in Asia at this moment, enjoying the heat, and you're over here freezing cold in Ireland. Or if you're from anywhere else in the world, let me know in the comments below where you're from. I'm always interested to find out, because I have plans to go loads of places, basically. And yeah, get some tips and tricks of places to go and see and do, you know. So if anyone knows, I should be in Kuala Lumpur. So if you have any tips for there, let me know. I'll be doing... Actually, no, won't be Kuala Lumpur. Where will I be? Be in Laos by now. Yeah, goody. You was gonna go on the path there as well, aren't you? Come on. You're supposed to be a majestic creature. Don't stop, keep on going. Come on. Hungover today, yeah? Right, I'm just gonna slowly. It looks like they're gonna bite you, you know? You just never know. And like, I don't mind the pecking bike, it's just that, like, you know, you're on a bike, so you're going to trip and fall with the bike, and it's going to cut you up and hurt you a bit more. So anyway, that's that lake. If you like swans, come on out. I don't know if they allow you to feed them, but, you know, make sure you Google and research what the right one is, because I think bread is not the correct food to be given to birds. I think I read that somewhere. But again, make sure you're doing the right thing. Yeah. So we're going to leave this little industrial estate now. Uphill. There we go. This is all under my power. I don't have the e-bike on yet. That's in reserves for when I'm coming back from Dublin 8 to Tallaght. I might put it on medium later on, just so I can kind of reserve a bit of energy. Yeah. So even these trees are nice. Now, I don't think you can get a photo shoot because there's security guards here. But very nice, you know. So this would be far out in the suburbs. Dublin West would be the area. Kind of an industrial estate. So facing down here, Clondalkin would be straight ahead, Tallaght would be right, and left would be Adamstown to Lucan area, I think. Yeah, don't take directions from me. Yeah, as you can see, like, this is kind of like an industrial estate, so like you have guards here. Maybe that's just to direct people. Oh, there we go.